What's the meaning of bouldering? Bouldering. Bouldering.
Bouldering. Bouldering. Bouldering is a style of rock climbing that involves climbing on small and challenging boulders or rocks without the use of ropes or harnesses. It is a type of climbing that requires a high level of strength, agility, and balance. Bouldering is often done at indoor gyms or outdoor natural locations, and climbers typically use crash pads underneath to cushion any falls. The result of bouldering can be a great sense of accomplishment as climbers challenge themselves physically and mentally to navigate difficult routes and complete challenging climbs. It can also offer mental and physical benefits such as improved focus, coordination, and strength.